Here's some clearance items. $3.99. That's actually a pretty good deal. On clearance, guys. This is a black stone. We got some killer deals. This is a July 4th at the Loves. Yes, these are deals, doorbusters, however you want to call them. $99 and under. You got all sorts of stuff, tools and power pressure washers and all kinds of lawnmowers. So we're gonna go over that in a detail. First, we're gonna start here with this fan. This one's $99, and then here's $99 for inside the house. The other one was for the outside of the house, for a gazebo or something like that. $199 for this string trimmer and blower combo. Then you got $99 for this pressure washer. This is actually a pretty good deal on this one. $49 for your drill driver. So in case you have a dad out there or somebody that needs, it's a really nice fan. Catch my attention here. It is variable speed. You can dial it up and down. And then you can move it up and down as well. So it does come with, I believe it's just a tool only. Alright, so talking about those 4th of July deals. This is the Black Stone. Now this is a monster of a grill. This is a Doorbusters. You get a free cart, guys. $4.49 from $5.99. Plus you're getting that free cart. It is all metal cart, so it looks pretty good. It looks just like that. Here's another one. Here's a grill. I do apologize for the camera. Not the best shots there, but $179 down from $249 for the doorbuster there for this grill. This is a 5-burner grill. Then you got this on clearance. This is the pole saw attachment for the Ego 10-inch, $126 down from the $169. You got this Ego mower. There's a 21-inch thick self-propelled brushless lawnmower. Then $249 for this 60 605 CFM. That's a lot. Yeah, if you're talking about 450, 500, it's pretty good. But once you're talking about 600, that's really good. All right, so this one's pretty good as well. This was 40 volt, 15-inch string shaft trimmer for $179. It is on the 40 volts, and then you got this one. It's a 15-inch cut string trimmer. All right, so this one's $3.99. This is the deal that they got going on. 24 volt, 20-inch deck, self-propelled mower. $3.99. That's actually a pretty good deal. Clearance $58 for this chainsaw. This is $129. From the Cobalt, it is plug and play. You got buy one get one free still on these. You got buy the mower, get a free accessory. You got a blower or string trimmer. $3.49 for this one. This one's an old school gas. Yes, old reliable gas right there. You do still have to spend that money on the gas though. $149 for the string trimmer and blower. And here's some clearance items. Bench top grinders, $134, and then $71 for the smaller one. Got some really nice gloves for $13. I really like these. They're all rubber all the way around. Protective for those fingers. Especially you mechanics out there. And then they got all these bandsaws. And they got a planer there for $269. There to the right. But yeah, that's pretty much what they had. Stabilizer knee pads from the Tough Builds, $31. These are pretty solid, pretty nice. And then they got this lawnmower that I've seen a couple months back. $149 from $299. Still pretty good deal. Even the engine, it's worth it by itself. Got a retractable strip, 9,000 pound capacity. You got $18 down from $24. All right, clearance section, guys. Yes, make sure you guys check out the clearance section. $13.49 down from $26.99 for the Switch, brand new, still in the wrap. But check this out. For all you hunters out there that like to collect your own meat or preppers, check this out, guys. This is a killer deal. This one's half price. Check out the size of this thing. You could fit, I'm not gonna say what, but $350 for the Craftsman pressure washer. And then you got this canopy, $139 from $189. And then $19.99 for these. These are all DeWalt. You got black, you got beige, All sorts of nice colors. Red, blue. Alright, $99 your choice here on these on the left. And $169. These are all great deals. Great to get into this this line, this DeWalt line. Pretty good deal. And then this one's on clearance, guys. This is solid wood top, really nice. It is kind of like a navy blue or dark blue. 701 down from 779. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna go even lower on clearance. 52-inch. Does have a side USB outlets there. $99 your choice on these on the left, and then up to $129 there on the right. So they're running up these deals now. These are newer deals. There's the charger right there with the battery. And then, yep, that's it right there. And you got the fan there on the right. Of course, we want a lot of fans, right? All right, so they got the Klein on discount. They do got some stuff on discount. Starting with this. This one's pretty good. This one's Impact driver sets, $31. I'm from $34. So pretty good deal on those. And then they got the Cobalts, $149. Any of your choice, any of those. Impact driver, drill driver with one. That's actually a pretty good deal. And then those blower and string trimmer, $33. I'm from $41 for this Lufkin. Pretty nice. Love the clearness of this thing. Very easy to read. Really nice. Both sides, labeled on both sides. You got cutting sets. Oscillating blades, $29. I'm from $49. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. These blades are really, really expensive. You guys know what I'm talking about. Alright, so here's another one. $29.98 down from $49.98. Not bad. This one's actually not bad because it is 4 of these cases in this package. So pretty good deal on those. A bunch of 1-inch bits. Guys, some 3-inch bits there, and then some drilling bits there on the bottom. And clearance, yes, this one's a really good deal. Whoever got this 11-piece wrench, $20. I'm from $44. They were sold out. $44.98 for the professional pouch and flooring. These are new, guys. Definitely some new, newer DeWalt accessories here. Really love what they're doing, and these are knee pads for flooring. So all you guys that do flooring, my cousins do floorings, by the way. Knee pads with gel, yep. So that's actually a pretty nice set there. You got $69 your choice here on the left. Impact driver, drill driver, $10 off. Or you got the $99 on the right. You got buy one get one free. So you buy the $2.99 will get you 2 free tools. You spend $1.99 get you 1 free tool. These are all top of the line XR tools. You guys know DeWalt, pretty solid. Same thing with these. $159 will get you a starter kit, 4 amp hour starter kit. And if you go to the other side, check this out. You got an angle grinder. This is 18 volts angle grinder bare tool for $139 will get you that free starter kit. Pretty killer deal on this one as well. Free as well on this one. You buy any select tool. When you get a free select tool when you buy the starter kit on the Flex. And check out if you guys want to get the Rocket Light. If you guys got the yellow brand, and you want to get the Rocket Light that Milwaukee has, well, you have your choice here for $229. All right, so you got clearance there for $48. This is a light from the Cobalts. Pretty inexpensive. You got Metabo 18-volt tools. Buy one, get one free. And then you got, this is a really nice saw that I saw. That's pretty much how the way it works. You can put that against the wall and it won't take a lot of room there. Thickness planer on clearance for $4.94. This one's not bad. It's actually a pretty good deal. It is from the DeWalt brand. And then we got some more of those DeWalt totes and bags and stuff like that. $22 for that one. And then you got $59 for the 11-inch electrician's totes. $59. And if you guys want to look at that zipper, guys, it is waterproof. That is solid shut, basically. And then it is, you do got some pockets on the inside. Same thing with this one, same style. Really nice what they did with this waterproof zipper there. And then they got some more compartments there on the inside. Pretty decent. Some wheels on the rolling bag. And check this out, guys. Remember last week I gave you guys a preview shot of the newer one. Well, this is the older one. They are discounting these. Make sure you guys look out on your stores. And that's how you release the dump bed area. And the engine compartments down there, obviously. And then you got the cab, basically the old school cab. Still pretty reliable. I love these. I don't own one myself, but they're pretty reliable for what they are, for the price. Because I know there's some more expensive ones. Alright, so that's what they... Make sure you guys pay attention, guys, because they're going to be clearing this out. Because the new ones are going to be rolling them in. You got 3500 electric winch. Pretty nice. Alright, guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great 4th of July week. Because, yeah, we still got a couple days for that. But you guys have a great 4th of July week. Make sure you guys stay safe out there. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.